Yeah. Yeah, we back, y'all. We back, y'all. One-stop drip shop. Unboxing in the bando. Back with some news you could use. Yeah, we back, y'all. It's been a little minute, man. I would say I was on a hiatus, but nah, nigga was on a flyatus, you dig? You know what I mean? Doing things I like to do and shit. But what I was doing was still bringing y'all this drip, man. Rounding up, loading the clip up, you know what I mean? I had to go live life for a little, man. Dealing with shit, you know how life go, man. Creators be dealing with shit on their off time. I ain't gonna say I'm a creator yet. I'm just really getting my feet wet in this shit. But without further ado, man, I bring you these Rick Owens Blast jeans. These shits is pressure, you heard? These shits is fire, man. Yeah, I've been heavy on the Rick Owens. I'm gonna pop out with a couple new Rick Owens strips for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I like the way he designed this shit. This shit is just different, bro. Like, right? Shit is just different, gang. Blast jeans, you know what I mean? For niggas trying to step away from them Marys, man. Niggas out here looking like Mary soldiers, bro. Everybody got the same shit on, you know what I'm saying? Y'all boys gotta step away a little, man. Step out the pack, you feel me? But yeah, these shits blasted all through. They blasted on the back, pause. Yeah, I like these shits, man. Leave in a comment what y'all think about these, if y'all got these, if y'all would buy these, you know what I'm saying? I ain't really eyeing these shits. I said I am. I ain't really eyeing these shits, you heard? I wore them already. I said, yo, man, I gotta get back to the drip shop, man. I've been missing the gang, man. I've been missing bringing these shit to y'all, man. I've been popping wild tags, buying wild shit that I ain't bringing to y'all. I feel like I've been holding out. You feel me? Word. But yeah, these blast jeans, they cut like some of Mary's, you feel what I'm saying? If y'all looking for that Mary feel, they cut like some of Mary's, but they cut different, you heard? That shit for the different type of niggas, man. And it's gonna be like, ooh, I like those. I like these pants. Yeah. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, get you a pair of these, man. I recommend these. I forgot how much these ran me. I bought them a couple months ago, man. But they was under a stack. You know what I mean? Get you a pair of these under a stack. I don't know if I'm doing these shits justice right now in this little video and shit. I don't know if I'm doing it justice. But these shits is fire, y'all. You feel me? These shits is fire. I will be wearing these again, man. Let me know in the comments if y'all will fuck with these, you heard? I rate these jeans, though. I rate them, 7.58, you know what I mean? They not real distinct. Nobody probably wouldn't know what you're wearing unless... Rick Owens got like a little cult following, you feel what I'm saying? So, other Rick Owens niggas will know, but will the masses know? Probably not, but who you doing it for? If you're in the drip shop, yeah, you probably doing it to shit on the masses. You probably want motherfuckers to know. You feel me? But it's gonna come a point, man, you step away from all the logos, the crazy logos and shit, and you just buying fly shit, you know what I mean? You get on the IG, you could tag the designer. There's some fly niggas like, nigga, fuck tagging the designer. If you don't know, it ain't for you, you know what I'm saying? Word. But you know how we coming, man. Player had to stay ahead. Just had to bring y'all some news you could use. Rick Owens Blast jeans, you know what I'm saying? Welcome a nigga back in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these shits in the comments. You can see the blast all on the ankle, nigga. These shits is fly, my boy. Like, you know what I mean? And just the fact that your hand could go all the way through these motherfuckers, like, or... I mean, y'all leave y'all grade in the comments. You already see I got a Celine vid coming for y'all. So, yeah, just stay tuned, man. One Stop Drip Shop unboxing in the bando. Player had to stay ahead, y'all. Or put a little money to the side, man. Money you save today, gonna save your ass tomorrow, man.